Do you want to know this new AI tool?
In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use Reve AI.
This is the new AI tool. Now I want you to end to know everything. Here we'll first know how to access it. But in this video, I will show you every possible way you can use this AI tool. Now here, first open your browser. Here I'm using Chrome for an example. Now what you do now is just type here on the search bar, Reve AI. Here, let me type it and then explain. Now you can see now, send it here. Now here on the site page, you can see Reve. Now click on it here. Before you can reach here, you must follow the sign up processes and sign up or sign in using your Google email. I will click on my Gmail. Now here, I will select the email here, the current email I'm using. Now here, click on next here. Now make sure you read off the policy. Now click on finish here. Now here, wait for it to load. As you can see now, click on continue here. Now click on start creating. Now after completing the signing up process, and here you can see this icon is your profile detail and project you have run on Reve AI. Here is where you can find it. Here on this icon is where you can find it. You can see here even the package you are using. Here you can see, and also you can log out here if you want. Now you can go back by clicking on your back navigation to go back. Now here also you can see upload or create, and here you can see create. You can create if you want to create by describing what you want to hear, describe it. You can also upload and edit it here by clicking this icon, and you upload and edit the image. Also here you can also act it based on reference the image, create a reference on the image. Here also you can also, and here also you can see this colors bar icon here is where you can describe the color you want to. You can give it the color you want it to generate image on or edit image on. Here you can see the color, you can select anyone. And also here you can see this icon here. Easy. You can see this icon here, this double facing arrow icon is where you select the count you want the image to be, the image generated to be, or picture generated to be. Also select the aspect ratio you want it to be. Also you can also use an attach, like asking it to create a similar images. Here is where you can add it to it. Select the type of image how you want it to be, creating similar images. Also here you can also customize instruction. Here you can see you can remove it here. You can remove the icon by clicking here again to remove it. Now here also you can see upload here. Here also you can see upload. You can click here or click here, anyone you want to use here, like this. You can see. Also you can click here like this. You can see, and then go to the storage where you save the image or picture you want to edit here, like this. You can see here, you can click on the image and wait for it to upload. And wait for it to upload the image here. As you can see, it is uploading the image. And here you can see it here. You have uploaded the image in order to edit it of the picture. Now you can edit any side you want here. You can see here. You can see you can edit any side you want here. Any side you want in the picture, you can edit it. Ask it to remove it, or just click on this edit. Click on it like this. And then click on this edit. And then describe how you want it to do, how you want it to be. You can see. You can edit the text like this. For objects, you can also move it. And then click on good here. In order to apply it, remove what you have edited in the side of the editing section. Make sure you remove it entirely, and then apply it here. Now click on apply here. Now to apply it, and here you can see, you can here apply it. and then wait for the AI to do its work. Now, as you can see, it have applied it. You can see here, you can see Gtechai AI. You can see it have applied it. You can edit as many as you like. And also you can know the description, the editing part description here. You can see, you can know the description. You can add color to it. You can change things. You can type another thing to it here, and then it will change. You can see the prompt in order for you to create it. Also, you can copy it in order to create exact image. Here you can see. You can also save it or share it. Here you can see the both icon here. You can download it by clicking this one here and follow the downloading process. You can share it by clicking share and follow the share out process. And here you can click these three icons and not either rename the image, benchmark it, delete it, or copy the image. You can see, and also or add it to your album here, or add it to your reference, or here you can even flag the image here if you want. And here, in case you find the issue that because of this AI tool is more efficient, the editing process by clicking this apply here might take time in order to complete the editing process. So have patience and let it give you the best. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. See you on the next one. Peace.